All of us. How una dey? How una dey? How una dey? How is everyone doing? How una dey? As meat don cost now. So if you buy meat, you go cost am small. Cut it small so e go reach everybody. This one is 1,000. I no get time for trouble. Give me chance to make I enjoy my life. If you want wahala, I go give you double. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. My people, I thank una. As una make me mama G, una governor. My body just dey sweet me. This government na open door policy. You like can change am to we. That government, that is finally. I go change am to free. We go enjoy as we dey do for olden days. Every Friday go be public holiday. I go make my people happy, make everybody jolly. Share the message of my mind. Devour the national cake. We chop your own, chop my own. The government will not chop our own. This life no hard though. I'm telling you, this life no hard. Now you make am hard for you. For me, any hand wey you bring na the same hand I go give you. Yeah. If you wanna shake me, you bring your left hand, I'm gonna give you left hand. If you wanna shake me, bring your right hand, I'm gonna give you right hand. That is me. I live my life so simple. I don't look for trouble. You understand? Yeah. Don't intimidate me because of whatever you have. Don't intimidate me. I don't take intimidation. You see? Yeah. I know the reason why I'm doing this, and I know the reason why I'm happy. I know the reason why I'm smiling, dancing. Yeah. So someone think that he can intimidate me. I'm not someone that intimidates. He can never intimidate me for anything. Yet. Yeah, that is me. My life is so simple. See, this life is very simple. Life no hard. Now you want make life hard for you. Life no hard. Little life no hard. You understand? Yeah. Life no hard. Oh, now you want make life hard for you. Oh, I just dey laugh. This life, if you no get money, hide your face. Dun dun dun. Hide your face. Hide your face. So if you no wan hide your face, make you dey hustle. Things dey happen. Things dey really happen. If you no get money, hide your face. Okay. Things dey happen. This soup. If I finish making this soup, they ask me whether I made this soup. I think another person make this soup. Hide your face. Hide your face. Dun 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 dun. Hide your face. Hide your face. You can't go to container though. If you don't get money, hide your face. My house met again. Now they will see. No be me. Guys, I'm done. I'll put everything in the fire. I'm gonna allow it to cook. I'll still carry you guys along, okay? Because at this point, the soup is ready. This is soup. I use 1/7 to make this soup. While I need to finish, we have curry here, so I'm going to put it in the fire. Leave this in the fire. It's done. Let the curry warm, then I will share it. Everyone will eat. I'll go and continue with the rest of the work. So keep liking, okay? Keep supporting me, keep commenting, keep liking my video, okay?